Welcome to this CostsFirst video. In this video, we're going to cover the CostsFirst dashboard. You're first going to log into CostsFirst.com, and this is the view that you'll see when you log in. You're going to see your home county that you're registered in and the associated default costs. The first thing you're going to see are the different net sheets on the right-hand side of this page. The buyer net sheet. Buyers want to know how much the monthly cost is going to be and the amount out of pocket required to buy the house. The seller net sheet. Sellers want to know what price they're going to list the house, how much they're going to net, or what's their cash coming out of the transaction. Seller multiple offers is for the seller to review or compare and contrast multiple offers on their listing. Net first is a hypothetical calculation. For example, if a seller wants to get $75,000 out of the transaction, what hypothetically would the sale price have to be to make that happen? Refinance net sheet. If you want to refinance the transaction, you want to know all the different closing costs associated with that refinance. Quick quotes gives a title professional and agent the ability to log in and quickly get a title and escrow quote. Quick quotes also cites the type of policies CostsFirst is returning, which of course depends on the location you enter, as well as breaking down the escrow costs. Rent versus buy compares the total cost of renting with the total cost of buying by looking at a number of factors that affect renting and purchasing. And the short sale net sheet lets a real estate professional put in what the sale price of the property is, all the payoffs for the loans they have, any past taxes, homeowner association fees, anything associated with the transaction to get out of the short sale, and then determine what the bottom line number is. So let's move over to the left portion of the dashboard and talk about the sections highlighted here. First, we have the settings section. Settings is important to pay attention to because it's where all the default costs are stored for the cost calculator. So you have your seller cost, your short sale costs, your FHA, VA, USDA loan costs, buyer costs, refinance costs, conventional loan costs, other escrow, CDTC, TRID, and finally the loan comparison tab. Let's take it back to the dashboard and under select state or county. This allows you to select a specific state or county to get that local market's closing costs. So if you have a client moving to an area or from an area that wants a net sheet, you can change the state and county to reflect a different one than your home county. Another way to do this is just to simply go to a net sheet module and enter the zip code. It will effectively do the same thing. Language section. Some consumers like to see the information in their native language. CostsFirst offers the net sheet printouts in many different languages, including Spanish, Vietnamese, Chinese, Japanese, Polish, and Korean. So if you select different language and click on apply, all the report output and email output will be in that language desired until you log out, and it will reset back to English, or you can always change it back to English if you would like. Customized print section allows you to add user branding to the printouts, which are sent directly to the client. Keep in mind, certain states will not allow customized branding in emails, so availability could depend on your area. Address book is the tool that lets real estate professionals or lenders keep track of all their clients that they've sent net sheets to. Then we provide the tutorials, which is where you'll find all of our self-help videos that walk you through just how to use our CostsFirst program. And finally, we have an enhancement update that keeps track of the major changes with the program. And of course, if you ever want to reach out to us directly, you can always click the Contact Us link and reach out to our support desk, 1-800-252-8692, or you can email us at support@costfirst.com. We're always here to help you, or you can contact your title rep. That's it for this overview of CostsFirst. Thanks for watching.